Okay, so you have this design, right? And you just opened it in Canva, you're trying to edit it, and nothing happens. Uh, it's really easy if you want to unlock the page or like any type of layer. All you have to do is just click right here on the top right corner. There's a lock icon. Click on it, and then you're free to do whatever changes you want to do. This is how you do it for pages, right? Unlock, lock. It's unlocked right now. If you want to do it to individual layers or groups, all you have to do is just click right here, lock right here, and that's it. Or just right click and lock. Lock, I don't know what I clicked, locked. So now you're trying to move things around. You can't select this specific text layer. So this is useful because if you have a lot of layers, you might accidentally move them around or like make changes. Or maybe you don't want that. That's why people use the lock function. But like I said, if you want to not mess anything up, just use it. If you need to unlock pages or layers, all you have to do is right click, click on it, unlock, and it should get unlocked automatically. And then there's the lock page, like I just showed you right here. That's how you do it. You can also lock groups. For example, let's say you have these layers. You right click, group. Now you have this group, right? To group it, to lock it, it's the exact same thing. Just lock it, and now you can't select these two text layers. Basically, you can't make any more changes to them. Anyway, so that's how you play with the lock and unlock function, and that's how you unlock pages in Canva. It's really easy. You just click on the icon right here and you should be fine. So yeah.